If you're looking for small mods to eliminate some of the chrome on your 2019 or newer Ram 1500, this American flag hood badge in matte black and gloss black is one that you'll want to check out. Now, chrome can be pretty bright, especially in high profile areas of your truck, and if you prefer more of that blacked out or black accented look and need a solution for the hood badges on either side, this will be right up your alley. Now, it's also a very easy way to get rid of the badging if you want a straightforward solution to give a more uniform appearance to the Ram while incorporating some patriotic style in the meantime. Now, I do want to mention that this specific kit does not fit the Rebel or TRX models because of the hoods being a little bit different, so just keep that in mind when you're checking this out. This kit features 2 replacement badges for either side of the hood, shaped to fit the inside of those pockets perfectly. Now, they are slightly smaller than the original badge, but offer proper spacing for a well-fitted appearance. Now, the badge features a 2-tone look to it with a matte black finish for the raised portion of the flag and a majority of the badge itself, but the inner portion of these stars and stripes feature a gloss black design for a touch of style that balances out this badge nicely. Now, this is made of tough plastic or synthetic materials. It resembles a very tough plastic, so it's durable and able to resist any weathering when mounted up to the side of the hood. Now, again, it does have this matte black and gloss black finish to it, going well with other dark accessories, and this kit also includes auto-grade 3M tape for a non-permanent design and a hassle-free installation. This kit will run you about $125, comparable to other accent pieces like it when it comes to the price. Now, what I will say about this is that it's a very unique solution to the side hood badges and is a full replacement compared to other overlay designs. It's also tough and doesn't require a ton of effort in order to install, which makes it a great option if you want a fully blacked out appearance to the accent points on your Ram. Now, install is straightforward at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should at most take about a half hour, all said and done. Now, my biggest recommendation here is to clean the surfaces very thoroughly to make sure that the adhesion has the best stick and lifespan possible. However, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here, and they're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can remove the factory hood badges, clean it, and stick these in place of them. So that is going to wrap it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you will need a panel removal tool. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some hood emblems on our Ram, so let's get started. Alright guys, so we have to get our factory hood emblems off, and to do that we're going to grab a panel removal tool. Make sure it's plastic so you don't damage your paint. We're going to go underneath the bottom side, and you want to work these bottom tabs loose. And you can come to the side, kind of pop that off, and slide this right out. Now you can do the same thing for the other side. Alright guys, so now that we have our factory emblems off, we've got our new emblem. These are going to be held on by the adhesive strips on the back. So we've already got the edges pulled up. We're going to remove the covers for our adhesive. We can discard those. We're going to set this in place. Now, these are labeled for driver and passenger side. So we want to center this up. Pop these right in place and give a firm push on that adhesive around the edge. Then you can do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our American flag hood badge in matte black on gloss black finish for your 19 to current Ram 1500. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.